The standing jewelry laser welder features a compact and portable design, combining lightweight convenience with robust durability. It's easy to move, simple to store, and perfectly suited for any workspace. Our jewelry laser welder comes with multiple languages. Touchscreen control and crosshair microscope make operation simple and precise. The machine also features foot pedal control, allowing you to start or stop effortlessly while keeping your hands free for optimal focus. This intuitive design enhances efficiency and speeds up your workflow. Its versatility makes it ideal for various industries, including jewelry making, watch repair, and electronics, delivering precise and reliable results every time. Equipped with a long-lasting xenon lamp and a durable ceramic cavity, it ensures stable performance with minimal maintenance.